Hello, this is Tim Goff of Tim's Computer Repairs, coming at you with yet another computer repair. On this endeavor, I am working on this Dell Inspiron M531 or 5535, and on this one the computer was being relatively slow. So I backed up a few things that they had on their hard drive, and since it was designed for Windows 8.1, the reason it was slow was due to the internal hard drive that it had in it, which was a regular internal serial SATA drive. So we needed to update it from that to an internal SATA 3 SSD or solid state drive, and I've already removed the old drive and installed the new drive, and now I'm currently working on installing Windows to that. And then I've got to put the documents and pictures and videos or whatever they had that I backed up back onto the computer, and then it should be good to go. This has been Tim Goff with yet another successful computer repair. And I'll be seeing you in the next one.